What are the chances that it's a pineapple, you guys? You guys know I love pineapples. Like, my favorite thing is if you could be anything, be a pineapple. Stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. Hey Princess Squad, it's T, and you guys saw my TikTok that I went to Marshall's and I found this amazing toy mystery box full of fidget toys, and you guys have been asking me to unbox it. So here we are today. We're going to unbox this box right now. This is the front of the box. You're going to unbox 5 fidget toys. These are all of the possibilities that you can get. It says the possibilities are endless. I hope I get something good, like one of these squishies or maybe a Pop-It. But before we unbox this box, make sure you guys follow us on our TikTok and Instagram at princesssquad.official if you aren't already. Okay, now let's open this box up. I love fidget toys, you guys, because it helps me with my stress and my anxiety. So let's see what goodies we get today. There are 5 bags in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, missing one. 5. I can guess what some of these are. I mean, that has to be a squishy, right? Maybe a squishy. Some kind of stretchy thing. This is one of those bean things. And you guys, this has to be a Pop-It. Okay, I'm totally cheating. Let's open this up to see what it is exactly. Here we have it, the amazing toy mystery. Okay, let's see what we have. A Pop-It. It's a red one and it's a circle one. Let's test it out. This reminds me of the one at the Dollar Tree. Let's see how good it is. I'm not very impressed with this Pop-It, you guys. I feel like the quality of it is not as great. It's like kind of thin, and when you pop it, sometimes it pops like right back. I do not like that. But so far, in a box of like, for $8.99 is this box right here. There's 5 items so far. Like 1 out of 10, I give it like a 4 because I didn't like the way that it sounded. Okay, moving on to the next. Let's go ahead and open this one. Kind of squishy. Maybe it's like a squeeze ball or something. Let's find out. I was right, it's a squishy squeeze ball filled with Orbeez inside. I love the color, it's red, reminds me of Christmas, and it has all of these squishy Orbeez. The skin of this is super thick. I feel like it's super sturdy, and this is like a pretty good quality squishy. I give this a 10 out of 10. Alrighty, moving on to the next. There's 3 left to pick from. Oh, I already opened that one. 3 left to pick one. Let's go with this small one here and see what's inside. Got this soothing marble fidget toy. Oh yeah, this is gonna help me whenever I have stress or anxiety. And then there are 2, something squishy over here, but it feels different than this one. And then like, I feel like some kind of green swirly thing. This might be a monkey noodle, but let's open up this squishy one first because I'm like curious to see what it could be inside. Let's see what we have. Ooh, look at that, tentacles. A pineapple in my favorite color, and it has like pink on the top. Whoa, check that out. What are the chances that it's a pineapple, you guys? You guys know I love pineapples. Like, my favorite thing is if you could be anything, be a pineapple. Stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. Last but not least, let's check this one out. I bet you it's a monkey noodle. Aha, it's a monkey noodle, a green one. Only one? Really? This is sad. I feel like they should at least gave us like 2. Like, seriously, this is kind of sad, you guys. But this is everything that's inside of this mystery toy box. There is a pineapple squishy with this kind of shaving cream type like texture on the inside. A monkey noodle. A stress squeeze ball. A red poppet, and this marble mesh toy here. So I got all of this in my mystery box for $8.99 at Marshall's. Do you guys think it's worth it? Let's see. I feel like this could be purchased at the Dollar Tree if you can find it. This, I feel like you can find at Five Below. I feel like you can find this at the Dollar Tree. This is like $5 for like 6 of these, I think, at Five Below. And then this you can find at Dollar Tree or Five Below. But overall, I think you get like a variety of like things in here. So I think that it's worth it because opening and unboxing the mystery is part of the fun. But which one is your favorite out of these 5 items? Leave a comment down below and let me know because I'm gonna tell you guys my favorite. Of course, the pineapple. I really like the texture on the inside. If only you guys could feel this. It's super soft. I feel like there's shaving cream on the inside, but I'm not sure. Maybe we'll film another video where we cut up these squishies and mix them all together to see what's inside. You guys leave a comment down below to let me know if you guys want me to cut up some squishies and make a slime smoothie. Okay guys, if you guys want me to unbox more of these fidget box, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more fidget fun. And always remember to dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye!